In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage budgets and billings in Wrike. We'll walk through a simple flow: how to open the right menu, choose the correct billing type, and then set a budget for your work. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means, so you can keep your projects on track financially. First, make sure you're in the Wrike workspace and looking at the project or folder where you want to manage the budget. You'll typically be in a table or list view where you can see your tasks and project details. Look towards the top part of the interface for a small plus sign. This plus sign is your starting point. Go ahead and click on the plus sign to open the configuration or customization options related to that project or view. When you click the plus sign, Wrike will usually show you additional fields or columns you can add, along with financial options. From here, you want to navigate to the billing type section. This might appear as a drop-down menu or a field labeled billing type, or something similar. Click into that area to see your available billing options. Billing type is important because it defines how the work in that project is charged. Depending on your account setup, you might see options like fixed fee, time and materials, or non-billable. Choose the billing type that best matches how you plan to bill your client or track internal costs. For example, if your project has a set price regardless of hours worked, you would choose a fixed fee style option. If you bill based on the hours your team records, you'd select a time-based or hourly billing type. Take a moment here to think about how your organization normally bills for this kind of work, and then confirm that selection. Once your billing type is set, the next step is to define the budget. Find the field or section labeled Budget. Click on it to enter the total amount you want to allocate to this project or folder. This amount should represent the maximum you intend to spend or bill for the work. After entering the budget, double check that the currency and value are correct. When you're happy with it, save or apply your changes. From this point on, Wrike can use that billing type and budget to help you monitor project costs and stay aligned with your financial goals.